Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java. Begin by understanding the fundamental building blocks of Java programming. Focus on core concepts like variables, data types, and basic operators. It's crucial to start with simple programs, writing code often to reinforce what you're learning. Also, selecting a good integrated development environment, or IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, will significantly boost your productivity and learning curve from day one. Once you grasp the basics, dive into object-oriented programming, which is central to Java. Learn about classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. These concepts might seem complex initially, but they are essential for writing robust and scalable applications. Next, explore control flow statements such as loops and conditional logic to manage program execution. Finally, get comfortable with various data structures like arrays, lists, and maps for efficient data organization and manipulation. Hey everyone, if you're finding this full guide on learning Java helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: for all you aspiring Java developers, imagine reading your favorite Java programming books anywhere, anytime. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes that possible, offering a fantastic reading experience. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With a solid foundation, you can now explore more advanced Java topics. Delve into multithreading for concurrent programming and master exception handling to create resilient applications. The best way to solidify your knowledge is through practical application. Start working on small, personal projects to apply what you've learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It offers invaluable real-world coding experience and helps you grow as a developer.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.